With reference to an interaction with a past YouTube employee, getting AdSense approval is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Be patient and persistent. With time and effort, you'll increase your chances of getting AdSense approval and taking your channel to the next level. In this video, I've got you covered. Imagine having spent months, even years, finding a higher ranking niche and building your YouTube channel, creating content that resonates with your audience and growing a loyal following. But despite your hard work, you're still struggling to get that one thing that could take your channel to the next level. This was my case, being a passionate YouTuber who had been working tirelessly to grow my channels, creating high quality content, engaging with my audience, and promoting my channel on social media. But despite my best efforts, I was still stuck in the AdSense approval limbo. I started feeling frustrated and demotivated. My story is not unique. Many of such creators face the same challenge when trying to get AdSense approval for your channel. But what sets apart those who succeed from those who don't? It's not just about meeting the requirements, it's about understanding the process and optimizing your channel for success. Let's dive into the best advice and tips for getting AdSense approval for your channel. And this time round, I'll just brush through the tips. I've uploaded another video with full details. The first tip is to understand AdSense requirements. Tip 2, avoid common mistakes. Tip 3, optimize your channel. Tip 4, create high quality content. Tip 5, engage with audience. Last tip is to track channel analytics. Getting approval on YouTube requires hard work and strategic approach. By understanding these requirements, you will be on your way to approval. If you found this helpful, share and subscribe for current updates.